Today we're trying out some fun twists, the braidless crochet way. So if you want to see me transform from this to this, make sure you stay tuned. These are the products and tools I used to prep my hair today. They will be linked in the description box below. My hair was actually already set in a twist out, which only lasted me about 2 days, and I'll get into that in a later video, I promise. But I'm just going to brush out my curls and blow my hair out to a manageable state so that when I go to braid it or lay it down, I'm not in struggle city. Y'all have seen me do braidless crochets before, but this time I have a strategy to my pattern so that I have options over the next couple of weeks. So my plan with this pattern is to use it for multiple installs. So if I end up not liking these twists for whatever reason, I can just take them out and go with another crochet style or just slap on a wig. So you gotta love the versatility. I've separated my hair into 2 sections, parted from ear to ear, so I have a front and a back. For the front, I'm going to start parting in the middle and work my way down to the ears with 5 rows on each side. For the first row, I'm going to part it into 5 boxes. For the first box, I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, twist it a few inches down, then connect it to the next box and repeat the same steps. Now, I really wanted to try this without rubber bands, but just braiding each box and connecting them, by the time I got to the 3rd box, my hair was just way too thick to hold tightly. So I only share this option because it's totally an option. If you don't want to use rubber bands, you can just simply braid down each section and connect the sections together. Once I finished the front, I connected 2 rows into 5 cornrows in the back. I'm oiling my scalp really good because it's been extra dry during these colder months. Then tucking the ends with my crochet hook. And one quick note, you'll see that my edges are laid down, like I left a good chunk of them out. As I've been getting older, my hairline has been thinning out, so I want to make sure I maintain what little bit of hair I got left. So I'm just going to leave those out and then just tie them down nightly as needed. On to the star of the show. I picked up these passion twists by Zury from my local beauty supply store. This is in the color SOM 2730, and the package claims you only need 1 to complete a full head. I ended up counting a total of 105 twists, and they come tiered in different lengths, 9 inches, 10 inches, and 11 inches. If you want a layered look, you would start with the 11 inches in the back and work up to the 9 inch in the front. I wanted a more fuller bob look, so I started with the 9 inch in the back, 10 inch in the middle, and 11 in the front. Here is a closer look at the crochet technique. With this type of illusion parting, it's okay to space your twist out, especially if they're on the large side. Unless it's your thing, you don't want to overcrowd them. I spaced the back out about 2 finger widths apart. In the front, I just installed them where needed to cover the rubber bands and the linked hair. So here we are, install complete. It took me about 45 minutes for the crochet pattern and 30 minutes to insert the twist. So here are my final thoughts. The hair is way softer than I thought it was going to be, so it's light as a feather on my head, which is a total plus. I'm going to be sleeping very well. I do think they could have put about 10 to 20 more twists in the package. I had to do some finagling in the back to cover up some spots. I also wanted a bit more fullness. Considering everyone has different head sizes, adding a few more would ease some worries, I'm sure. I did end up cutting it a little bit to shape up the ends, so having the loose curly ends helps with adjusting it to your liking. Cutting the ends off entirely is also an option. Because it's short, styling is limited, but I did find a couple that I did like. I must say I was not feeling this at first. My main concern was that it did kind of age me and make me look a lot younger, which is not a bad problem to have, but I am a grown woman, y'all. It's definitely a kid-friendly style, but will this come together for a sophisticated look? I guess so. Not too bad for a night out, huh? The length and the movement gives me flirty girl vibes. My hubby and I went out for the evening and I got so many compliments, you guys. My girlfriend couldn't even tell it was crochet. So I guess that's confirmation enough. So that wraps today's video, you guys. Comment below what's your favorite crochet style. Do you like to go braidless way, or do you want to be braided all the way up, girl? Like this video on your way out. Subscribe for more content like this each and every week. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.